everybody, how are you? And what I'm going to do today, many of you saw when I did my Thanksgiving tree after looking at Liz's from Traditions by the Season. Absolutely loved what she did, so I did one. And I had these from a year ago, and I put a couple on my tree, but then I kept looking at them, and I didn't like this, okay? And I wanted more of the buffalo check and the black and white to show, because that's what I'm decorating with. So I'm going to take some ribbon, like I did with my summer plaques, and I'm just going to put this ribbon around, okay? And I'm just going to very lightly put a piece of glue, so if I want to take this off, I can. All right? So if you have something and you think, you know, it's so plain, either paint it, put some scrapbook paper or some ribbon to just change it up. And I'm not going to glue, like I said, around, you know, other than just the very end where it meets. And I'm putting a very tiny bit of glue, and I'm pulling it tight. Chances are I won't, but in the event I want to, I can. And then what you can do is you can just take this and you can fold it under if you want to give it a clean finish. I'm not going to. And then you could also add, I mean, if you wanted to do more, you could add more up here, a bow or something. All I wanted was just a little bit more of the black and white on here. I do like this check this year for my holiday decor. Again, I'm pulling it tight. And this doesn't cover the whole thing, and I'm fine with that. But if you wanted it to cover, all you'd have to do is get scrapbook paper or a bigger ribbon, a wider ribbon. So there you go. Just a little bit different addition to a really cute piece, but it was just too plain for me, okay? And then I'm going to finish this one off camera, and when I get these done, I'll show you where they are on my tree. Okay, and while I have the ribbon out getting these done for the tree, I'm going to fix up my lantern. And remember when I put this little bit of paper on here when I was doing my lemon theme with this LED candle? Well, I'm going to take it off now because I told you I'd probably repurpose, which I'm doing. And I'm just going to take off the paper. As easy as that. And I am going to put some black and white, since we are doing these, and this is my theme for Thanksgiving, and will be my theme for Christmas in my family room and kitchen for the most part. And this ribbon came from Hobby Lobby, and it's $9.99, 40% off of that, and you get 75 feet. Very good deal. So I'm going to use this, and I might use some of this black satin ribbon that I've had forever. Years and years, probably 15 years. So let's see. going to do is fold this under just to give it a clean edge. Put it right in the middle, I think. And hot glue doesn't stick really well to these candles, as you can see. So I'm going to glue the ribbon onto itself so it will stay. Again, folding over just to give it a clean edge. And then you can embellish if you want. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet with it, if anything. I just wanted a little bit of that color in the inside of the lantern. Don't know if I'm going to do anything because I have a lot of other stuff going on in the lantern, but as you can see, I have changed up how these look just by adding a little bit of ribbon. Okay? Sometimes that's all it takes, just to change it in up to maybe what your decor is, you know. And again, this would be any color that you were decorating with. If you were decorating with oranges or pumpkins or whatever the case, you would just do that accordingly. So I'm going to go think about this, and then when I get all this downstairs and get this into the lantern and these where I want them, I'll show you.